Oh, come in. Marvel Rivals, we need to talk right now. Hi, Spider-Man. What seems to be the problem? I want a buff for my character. And why exactly do you need a buff? Because I'm tired of going out there and getting JFK all the time. I get I have low health because I'm a DPS and all, but why the fuck am I so squishy? You can literally swing away. You're Spider-Man, aren't you? That doesn't even help. If anything, you need a nerf, Spider. Huh? Aw, cute. Look who's talking. Magneto! Bro, you are literally the most annoying DPS in the game right now. Even Iron Man mains hate your ass. This is coming from Magneto, by the way. I mean, if anything, I could use a buff. No, you don't! If anyone can use a buff right now, it should be Black Widow, I ain't gonna lie. True. But wait, Black Widow already got a buff! Well, I'm pretty sure everyone can agree you're the most annoying character to fight, Spider-Man.
Man, fuck you.
Bro, breathe.
Oh, shit, bro. Watch your